The kit lives up to the hype. Glasshouse mud or the clay mud that gets stuck to your car. Hey guys, it's Kristen here from She Explores Off, and today I got myself the 4x4 Essentials kit and we're gonna put it to the test. I'll unpack everything in the kit and I'll give you a quick look at all the products that come inside the packet. I'll show you the features that really stand out to me. I'll show you how to use it on my four-wheel drive and give you my honest thoughts along the way. See if the kit lives up to the hype. Alright, so let's dive in and see what we get in the 4x4 Essentials kit. We went with the Big Loads pressure washer foam cannon. I'm excited to test this one out. And we got the Kasha washer, so we just chucked this attachment on for now, so it's all ready to go. And then in the bucket, you get a microfiber hand towel to dry it off after you finish washing. And then you get the wash mitt, which is pretty cool. Chuck it on, wash your car. You get a soft bristle brush for all the delicate areas. You get the hard bristle brush for all the harder areas, like the side steps. Then you get the wash that goes inside there, makes the foam. Then you get the interior cleaner. Then you get the streak-free glass cleaner, which I'm excited about. And then you get the grease attack. Well, that's cool, you get all the grease off. You can use it for the floors, barbecue, bathroom, house interior, trucks, curtains even. Heaps of things you can do with that one. Lastly, you get all the little attachments for these bottles. I'm gonna start by chucking all these little nozzles on the bottles. So we're gonna start by washing underneath the car first. Getting all the mud from underneath out. Always with a low pressure. Gives the underbody like a good clean, the chassis, all that. All around the wheel trims. I like to get in the holes of the chassis. Especially if you go in the salt water, definitely get inside your chassis properly. I only went to the mud today, so I'm just gonna give it a quick rinse out. The mill's on the side, so we're gonna do, it's a 1 to 10 ratio, so we'll fill it to the 100 and then fill the rest with water. So that's all you need. So now you fill the rest with water, attach it to your Kasha washer, and then you're ready to go. So when you have kids, you get problems like handprints on the roof. So let's give the interior cleaner. See if we can get them dirty handprints off. Spray the cleaner on the spot and let it sit for 2 to 3 minutes. So let's do that. We'll come back in 2 to 3 minutes and we'll dab it with a clean towel. So you have to kind of see it to believe it. Ready? Like a little dirt mark or chocolate, something. Gone. Alright, so we're just gonna rinse the foam off now. It's been sitting for a minute or so. So the foam gun and the foam got most of the dirt and rocks off. So now we're gonna hit it with the bucket and soap and the mitt, and then we're gonna hit the tires and the rims with the hard bristle brush. Hard bristle brush all these little grimy parts in the tile. Oh, that works so good. They're only new ties, so I like to give them a good clean too. It makes the car look 10 times better if it helps me. But you can see all the dirt just coming off with the saltycaptian. And our chassis, because it's rock proof, it definitely needs a good wipe over all the dry mud. Just sits there and it looks it looks not good, not pretty. Now let's go rinse it off with some water. So now I'm just going to rinse it off with the hose. And then we'll hit it with the microfiber to dry it all off. And then she'll look brand new. While we were cleaning, we got some grease on the outside of the car. So we're going to hit it with the grease attack. I'm just going to spray a bit onto the cloth. Whoa, that just came straight off. So yeah, that just came straight off. And then you just rinse it, wash it off with water. It's safe to use on all washable surfaces, so I might wash it with some soap again and then see how we go. So it's getting dark now, but I'm going to hit it with the microfiber cloth, dry it all up. Use the glass cleaner and spray a generous amount on the window and hit it with a clean microfiber cloth. Wax on, wax off. Leave the window looking fresh. And you can do inside and out, so don't just do the outside, do the inside as well. And all your mirrors, you can use it on all your mirrors, any glass surface. So after that eventful day, saltycaptian does live up to the hype. I'll leave a 15% discount code in the bio, but if you wanted to, you could use a coupon code SheExploresOz15.